Hey y'all, welcome back to Shanettadiylife channel. Thank you all for once again watching my videos. Hello to everyone out there in YouTube world. Today's video is going to be focusing on a beautiful flower home decor that you can hang on the wall or use it as a centerpiece. I am starting off my DIY using some bling wrap from Dollar Tree. Is silver, and this portion of the DIY will be a bit tedious. I do apologize in advance, but the end result will be beautiful. You need to cut down a piece of the bling wrap and individually cut each of the pieces of bling out as you see me doing. This is worth it because you will get that big beautiful center for your flower, and having it individualized like this will be perfect. Yes, you can go right ahead and buy from Amazon or somewhere individual crystals, but we're talking about Dollar Tree products, and Dollar Tree doesn't have something like that right now in my store. So this was my best alternative. And once you are done with that, you will have a handful of these beautiful little gems, and you will sprinkle them down inside of one of the little paint holders. And then you're going to get you a charger because my center will be silver with the little blings. I'm using a silver charger from Dollar Tree as well. I went into the wedding aisle and got some white rose petals. This is what's going to make up my beautiful flower. And as you see, I am using my glue gun, taking piece by piece of the rose petals and gluing them all the way around the rim of the charger. And I'm going to keep on gluing until I get to the very center. While you are gluing, you may notice there are some areas that are a little too open, so you can go right back and glue some more petals inside of there. Make the flower as full as you would like. Now you're just going to put a bunch of hot glue into the center of the flower and dump a handful of the bling in the middle. And this way you can get all of them to stick as much as possible. And as you saw, I just turned it all the way over, tapped the back to get all the loose ones out. And now I'm going to use my fingers to press all of them down into the glue while it is still nice and gooey so that I can get as many as possible in there. What I did not show on this DIY video is me using my tweezers to affix more bling, but this time only having the diamond part facing up because I have a bunch of the bottom side of the gems showing, so I wanted more of the diamonds to show, so it'd be more blingy, and that's what I did outside of the video. And now I'm using a piece of hanging for a picture, using my hot glue to affix it to the back of the charger, and that is it. This is the completion of my DIY. I hope you guys like it. Thank you once again for checking me out. Give me a thumbs up if you guys don't mind, and have a beautiful day, everyone. Until next time.